you are having trouble getting that victory royale you always wanted, we will teach you how to play Fortnite under 5 minutes plus 5 tips, a bonus tip that most people don't know at the end of the video. As you know, Fortnite has a big map and has very little places to land at, but are always crowded. As the map changes very so often, so does the popular spots. So try to avoid places that are filled with players, and instead go to places that are lonely in order to get the weapons. When you first land, you want to get ahead of players by finding weapons as soon as possible. The main thing you should have are close range weapons like a shotgun, a long range weapon, and some sort of meds and shields that can help you in the future when fighting others. And if you can grab season exclusive weapons like a hand cannon and wings to use as a last resort. Me personally, I like using the big chicken skin from Family Guy because it's funny and I just like it, but it's not useful because of its big size and the big hitbox. So I would personally recommend you guys to have skins that have small hitboxes and are able to blend it with surroundings. The best strategy to use is a two-part plan. The first thing you do is try to avoid every player in the game and try to gather loot as soon as possible. Once you are fully stacked, go find some players and sneak up from behind and kill them. And finally, I recommend you change your settings according to your playstyle. Try to experiment with sensitivity, keybinds, and brightness settings. Once you find a setting that works for you, you'll be able to play more comfortably. Becoming a pro in a game like Fortnite lets you play competitively in other games and allows you to compete as a part of esports and win prizes, exclusive skins for the new best competitive players that win. The bonus tip, you could always advance or tweak your playstyles in order. If you like this video or find our advice helpful, then consider liking this video and clicking the subscribe button.